Magnolia versus Phoenix. Sa first possession, nasa kamay na ng import ng Fuel Masters para sa first 2 points ng ball game by BJ Johnson. Then, sinundan ng creation ni Tyler Teo para sa isa pang 2 points para sa Phoenix. For Magnolia is magpaparamdam din yung kanilang import going all the way and one. Tsaka he is a willing passer. Hindi sobrang bakaw. Mintis to ni Javi pero andon pa rin siya para sa putback. Nasobrahan lang sa pagpaparamdam kasi 3 foul agad sa first quarter. Pero yung locals is magpuproduce for the hot shots. Jerome Lastimosa, what a move! Ang ganda naman ng reverse na yon. Usually, hindi ko kino-cover lahat ng PBA games kasi grabe naman. Especially pag yung matchup naman is not selling sa inyo. Hindi nyo mapapanood masyado. Pero pag Magnolia at Phoenix, ramdam ko yung pagiging match nila in terms of roster and coaching. Kaya maganda manood pag ito yung magkalaban. 3 sila ng Meralco actually. Yan yung ikot ng 3 team na trip ko. Phoenix versus Meralco, Meralco versus Magnolia, ito Magnolia versus Phoenix. Here, Magnolia will do a weak side duck in. Lucero will curl. Pag maganda na yung angle ng point guard, will seal his defender para sa 2 points and 1. Ayun, lungkot ng import ng Magnolia pero Lucero again, this time sa labas. Pero may gante ang Phoenix with Jason Perkins. What a pass from Rivero inside, 2 points. Then, titirada pa sa labas si Perkins. What a good opening frame for both teams. Sa second quarter, my GOAT, Clifford Hopia, with good position in the paint, 2 points. Sa mga nanonood nga, pag nagla-live ako ng 2K, is siya kasi yung player ko sa my team mode. Then, pinalitan na ni Sanggalang who is playing well in the post. Hindi ata talaga nila may hilot sila put to be their anchor. Kaya balik na lang sa veteran presence. Here, binigay naman niya sa labas para sa 3-point shot ni Lastimosa. Si BJ Johnson, scorer talaga. Hindi lang natin nakikitaan ng effort pa ngayon sa defensive end. Pero no question yung kanyang offense. Going all the way, 4-point lead lang para sa Magnolia at the half. In the second half, ang ginawa ng Phoenix is nag-strong 5 na sila with Rivero and Perkins right in there. And good result as Richie opens up the scoring. Then BJ Johnson binigay yung kalamangan sa Phoenix. Medyo naging rough yung hot shots kasi pinipinpoint to ni Coach LA na wag masyadong matagal yung bola sa isang tao. Pero Buffen insisted to do it and ayun, turnover resulting sa isang highlight play. Johnson, alley-oop to Palunggay, hangas. Then Johnson showing up on defense, going all the way with his version of the slam dunk. Phoenix is hitting up in the third. Tsaka willing passer din naman si Johnson pag open yung teammate as De Los Santos makes this 3-point shot. Grabe, muntik nang mabalian si Johnson dito sa pagtuhod ni Sanggalang pero buti flexible siya. 2 points to para sa Magnolia but Phoenix got this quarter. Game of adjustment talaga pag sila yung magkalaban. Sa final frame, Phoenix starting this one with a flash and seal action as Chua sealing the help away, then Perkins has all the space he need for the basket and one. What a performance para kay Jason as he hit another 2-point shot in the mid-range. Samahan mo pa ng 3-point shooting ni Brian Santos. Tapos yung import ng Magnolia, pinupuri ko pa kanina na willing passer pero more on hug siya today. Classic Chua, all ball pero may foul. Ito, inulit na naman ni Buffen. Butata yung inabot. Ilang beses nating sinasabi nung last conference na hindi bagay yung ganyang import sa Magnolia. Pero nung dumating si Chapman na system player, naging okay. Pero ngayong conference, Buffen, 1 game pa lang, pero nakikitaan na natin ng red flag. Buti na lang Jerome Lastimosa is keeping the hot shots in this game. Alley-oop to Lucero. Ang ganda talaga ng tandem nila. Solid na yung duo na yan for how many years. Pero binaon na ng Phoenix yung larong to after ng 3-point shot ni Tyler Teo. So, nag-away si Jerome at LA dahil ata dito sa crazy attempt ni Jerome pero nabawi naman the next possession with a spin move. Pero ito yung sigaw ni LA, not sure exactly kung saan siya talaga galit. Pero ayun, Alfaro tuloy yung Magnolia sa crunch time and Phoenix get the victory, 98-86. Takeaways natin, here is the import difference. BJ Johnson was chill. He let the game come to him and trusted the system. Meanwhile, si KJ Buffen forced his game and it didn't turn so well. Kasi up by 16 na Magnolia, natalo pa.